Is your Wi-Fi connected but the internet just won't load? It's super frustrating, right? Don't worry, you are not definitely only one who deals with this. In just a few minutes, I will show you two simple and super effective methods to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue on Windows 11 Pro quickly and easily. Fix 1. Checking your network settings. First thing first, click on Start button and search for View Network Connections. Click on it when it pops up. Now look for your Wi-Fi adapter. This is what your PC uses to connect to the internet. For using internet, you might be using Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Remember, whether you are on Wi-Fi or Ethernet, this method works either way. Now right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and hit Properties. Scroll down and double-click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Here, select use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS server box, type 8.8.8.8 and in the alternate DNS server box, type 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS servers. They are fast, secure, and super reliable. Once you have tapped them correctly, go ahead and click on OK and OK again. The small tweaks alone has solved the issue for a lot of users. So go ahead and check if your internet is back. If it is, that's awesome. You're good to go. But if not, no worries. Go to the next step, fix 2, using command prompt. Click on the Start button and search for command prompt. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. That's important. Once the command window opens, you are going to enter a few commands that will reset your network settings and clear out anything that might be messing things up. I've listed all the commands in the descriptions or command below for you, so you can easily copy and paste them one by one. After typing each command, make sure to hit Enter. These commands will reset your IP settings, flush the DNS cache, and refresh your entire network configuration, all of which can fix stubborn internet problems. Once you are done entering all the commands, go ahead and restart your PC. When your system boots back up, your internet should be working smoothly again.